Next thing we're going to look at is the canvas wig block. Now, there's been a lot of debate about what kind of wig block to use because some people feel like they can use any old wig block. The only wig block that I highly recommend is the GEX wig block. I've been using them for years. In fact, ever since they started being made, I saw them on Amazon and I just loved it. I loved the fact that it had the curvature at the back and it had like a flat forehead. It almost mimicked a head. So that's the reason why I recommend the canvas wig block. They have been, since then, a lot of companies that have gone on to produce very similar wig blocks to the GEX. So like the one in the middle, it's a Tefara. There's also other name brands, which I can't recollect right now. But what I would suggest to you is if you are going to get one, just make sure that it has the curvature at the back, because that will ensure that your wig fits perfectly. Now, wig block number 3, the reason why I'm laughing is because sometimes my students come to my class with this wig block and unfortunately they don't get good results with it. I've had a class in Canada and one in Atlanta, I believe, where students have come with this kind of wig block. If you notice, it's almost cylindrical. It's not even, it hasn't really got a lot of curvature to it. Now, this wig block is probably best for maybe styling your wigs. I'm not going to say throw it away if you've already bought it. I would say go ahead and use it to style your wigs. But in terms of making your wig and it coming out with the right measurements and fitting correctly, this wig block won't get you those results. It will not get you those results. So please, I'm pleading with you. I know it's a few bucks cheaper than the GEX and the other nicer ones. Invest in good supplies. Don't try to cut corners because you will not get good results. So that's the wig block. The next thing actually I wanted to talk about is the tripod that we use for our wig block. So you can actually get like a full-on tripod for about $30 off of Amazon, or you can buy a cheap one like this for under $10 and it just holds the wig block. What I love about these is that they're very convenient, easy to transport. Like if you wanted to go and style a customer's wig, all you need is a table to attach that to. So this is a very affordable stand to put your canvas wig block on to style your wigs.